Hi everyone, so the big unboxing is here, which is the Casioak GA2110 series. So here's the metal box, nice metal box. So after a lot of deliberation, decided to go for the yellow G-Shock, and I'll tell you why. Although yellow is too flashy for me personally, but I primarily went with this because of the dial, as I plan to remove the yellow strap and then replace it with the full black casing, bezel and the strap. The reason for that is because the full black version is selling for some crazy price, and the salesperson was telling me that one of the reasons it's selling at a crazy price here in Malaysia is because one of the kings in Malaysia wore the full black version and put it on his Instagram, and then it became a rage. So I thought it's not worth to go for the full black version, but out of all the dials I like the dial of this one because it's very close to the full black one, although it's not as stealth appeal similar to the black one, but I thought it will be an interesting mix to convert this into full black. So once I receive the bezel and the strap and I replace it, I'll post another video. Thank you.